Okay, children. So just have a look. Children, have a look. Have a look first. Have a look. First of
Good morning.
all, uh,
Good morning, sir.
yeah, good morning. Good morning. See, you know
Good
atomic
morning,
mass
sir.
unit. I have discussed
Yes, sir.
atomic mass unit. Do you know its value? 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Molar mass, molar weight. Molar mass, molar weight. All are same thing. So they can.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
it is atom, it is known as gram atomic.
Sir.
Yes, good morning. If it is molecule, it is known as
Morning, sir.
GMW,
Molecular
gram
weight.
molecular weight. Simply we can call it mole also. Mole value, you know, 6.023 into 10 to the
6.023
power
to the
23. This is known as Avogadro's number. Okay. Hello, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, okay. And whatever if it is gas and if it is 1 mole, then its value will be 22.4 liter at STP.
TP.
And then I told you about accuracy, precision, and significant figures. Okay. So you
Yes, sir.
should know.
Yes, sir.
Already I have discussed in very beginning. Okay. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
chart you have
And
given junction.
Avogadro's number, you may known as you may call it 6.023. You may call it 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 or simply 6.0 into 10 to the power 23. Practical use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now today, children, we will discuss hybridization. Children, I told you hybrid means mixing. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
in chemistry, we will do mixing of pure orbitals. Okay. Pure orbitals of same orbit. One condition is applied to whom you are going to mix. Why we are going to mix? To gain stability.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To gain stability. After mixing, what we will get? Set of identical orbitals, children. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the newly formed orbitals are known as, technical name is hybrid orbitals. And in normal way, we can say that new orbitals, new orbitals.
Sir,
Okay.
newly formed means?
Newly formed means, children, you know, have you seen tomato?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you seen green chili?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen onion?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you seen ginger?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you seen salt?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Put everybody in mixer
Yes, sir.
and do grrrr. Then you will get what? Will you get a paste?
Yes, sir.
That paste is newly formed or old formed?
Newly formed.
That only known as newly orbitals. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you give the example?
Yeah, why not? Why not? I will give you example. Okay. Okay, children. See, but you keep one fact in your mind. Mixing is done according to need of number of sigma bonds and lone pair of electron. This fact you have to remember. Why we are doing hybridization? Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To get new orbitals whose are identical in nature. Okay, that is technical hybrid orbital. The name is hybrid orbital. Now, why we are
Yes.
mixing? To gain stability. And how much we have to do hybridization? That is according to need of number of sigma bond and lone pair of electron. Am I clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One condition is applied. The orbital which you are going to mix, it should be of same orbit, children. Same orbit. Same orbit. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If they are of same orbit, okay, if they are of some same orbit, then their energy will be nearly same only, nearly same. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to mix only that thing which can be mixed in the mixer grinder.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't put along with that tomato, ginger, green chili. Don't put a iron piece.
Yes, sir.
If you mix iron piece also, will you get a good paste?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
And can iron be mixed?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
And if it is mixed also, our purpose will be not completed. That material we cannot eat it. It will be not useful.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only mix that orbital which can be mixed. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And I am telling you only that orbitals are mixed which are belonging to same orbit. Which are belonging to same orbit. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am telling you some condition. Suppose if you are mixing one S and one P only. Suppose if, then that hybridization process name is sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, tell me how many orbital you have mixed?
2.
2. So you will get 2 sigma and 0 lone pair. All together you will get 2. The sum of sigma bond and lone pair must be how much?
2.
2. Today we will keep this lone pair constant 0. In the next episode, in
Yes,
the
sir.
part 2, hybridization part 2, we will involve lone pair also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose we are mixing SPP, 1S and 2P. In standard way, we will say sp2 hybridization.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many new orbitals are going to be formed?
3.
3. The sum of sigma and lone pair must be 3.
3.
In same way, sp3 hybridization. The sum
4.
of sigma bond and lone pair equal to 4. If it is sp3 dehybridization, the sum of the sigma bond and lone pair must be what? 5.
5.
5.
If I am doing sp3 d2, the sum of sigma bond and lone pair is equal to 6.
6.
If I am doing sp3 d3, in this way also you can write, but this is old method. We have to be stylish.
Yes, sir.
Standard.
Yeah, and if there is no lone pair, it means all are sigma bond.
Yes, sir.
And hybridization is
Yes, sir.
done. And hybridization will responsible for sigma bond formation only. Pi bond don't require
Yes, sir.
any hybridization.
Yes, sir.
Okay, did you understand my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt, let me know. Okay. Next is, see, I'm giving you one case. Suppose 2 sigma bonds are there. I'm discussing now this point one by one. If 2 sigma bonds are there and lone pair is equal to 0, what is the hybridization name?
Sir,
SP
please
hybrid.
repeat.
See, first I told name and then I told the number.
Yes, sir.
Now I am telling the number, okay, and I want to know the name.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
And the example is AB2. Suppose A is the central atom, so 2 sigma bonds are formed. See, 2
Yes, sir.
sigma bonds are formed. Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, and angle between them, because hybrid orbital repel to each other. The angle is 180 degree. If lone pair is not there, I am telling you one condition. Lone pair should not be there on the central atom. And what will be the shape? Shape will be linear.
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 Live example, any live example. This is a arbitrary, means a normal, symbolic, but this is barium chloride is a live example of sp hybridization. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Instead of A, what we will write? BE. Instead of Cl, what we will write? Cl. Did you understand my
Cl.
point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So bond parameters already I have discussed. What will be the bond angle in sp hybridization?
Bond angle.
Bond and 50%.
Huh? Hello, tell me fast. Don't have time. Do you know
180-degree bond angle.
bond angle means angle between the two sigma bonds in the molecule?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
180
sir.
degree.
So what is that angle?
180 degree.
Yeah, did you understand?
180.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose three sigma bonds are formed, no lone pair. What is the hybridization?
3,
120, 120.
120.
Bond angle is 120. What is hybridization name?
The SP3, SP2.
SP3.
S. Why sp3?
SP2, SP2.
Two.
Why sp? Yeah, please come like this. SPP, sp2. Then so one s orbital, two p orbital. Then only three things is going to be formed. No.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, please don't get confused. Do you want live example for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
BF3. See what will happen. Instead of A, B will be there. Instead of this surrounding atom, okay, F will be there. F. And the bond angle will be 120. The shape name will be triangular planar, trigonal planar. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any problem, please ask me. Any problem? Okay, now if sigma bond is formed, there is no lone pair. Hybridization name is sp3.
SP3.
The shape name will be tetrahedral.
Tetra.
Yeah, we can write AB4. Lone pair should not be there on the central atom. Example is CH4. C, H,
H4.
H, H, and H. What will be the bond angle?
90.
How can you say 90?
Oh,
It is
109.
109 degree 28.
109.
It is tetrahedral, not square planar. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
If it is 5 sigma bond, no lone pair, what is the name of hybridization?
SP3D.
Sir, SP3D.
You count, no. How many S is there? 1. How many P is there? 3. How many is D? 1. You can sum up. 1, 3 plus 1. It is 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Generally in style, we don't write this number 1 over here. If only one orbital is mixed. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Actually, we have to write S1, P3, D1. But generally we say SP3D. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The geometry will be triangular bipyramidal. A will be in the center and three sigma bond will be in equatorial position. Equatorial means one plane. And this sigma bond will be out of plane and this sigma bond will be inside the plane. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, these bonds are known as equatorial bond and these bonds are known as axial bond. Axial bonds are weak and equatorial bonds are stronger.
Yes, sir.
Sir, those bonds are on same plane. They are known as equatorial bond, and which is not on the same plane, it is axial bond.
Very nice. Very nice. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, what
Yes,
is
sir.
the bond angle between them?
Bond angle 120 degree, beta. 120 degree. Bond angle 120 degree. BAB. Bond angle 120. BAB in this axial, it is 90 degree. Two bond angles are working over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why, sir, I asked because.
No problem. That's why I gave the answer also. If 6 sigma lone pair is 0, the hybridization name is sp3d2.
SP3D2.
SP3D.
The geometry name is square planar. A 4 sigma will be in equatorial position and these are known as axial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The bond which are not in equatorial position, it means they are in axial position. Simple logic. Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Live example is SF6. S, F, 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 F. These are in one plane, children. These are in one plane. In one
Those are
plane,
not-
and one F is outside, one F side, one F is downward. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No lone pair on the central atom. But there is no guarantee that surrounding atom will not have lone pair, because fluorine, each fluorine has 3 lone pair. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in hybridization, we don't take any responsibility for the lone pair and the surrounding atoms.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
If 7 sigma bond is formed, no lone pair, the hybridization name is sp3d3.
sp3d3.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Live example is IF7. IF7. How you will form IF7? You have to form like this only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a plane like this. Yeah. I, F, 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 F. See, how many bond angles are F? How many bond angles are working over here? The bond angle
1, 2,
here,
3,
the bond
5,
angle
6,
here is,
7
I
bond
think,
angles.
72 degree. Divide 360 by 5. How much you will
Yes, sir.
get?
72 degrees.
360 by 5. And okay, these are the bonds 72. And somebody
Yes,
tell
sir.
what is the axial and equatorial bond angle? This one. So this will be 90 degree. Again, two bond angles are working over here.
Means, sir,
Yes, sir.
between axial and equatorial bond, the bond angle should be constant 90 degree, always 90 degree.
Yeah, if there is no lone pair on the central atom,
Okay, sir.
condition is applied. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, if lone pair is there, then
Then I told you. Okay, then this is the episode for hybridization 1. Then it will come hybridization 2, and then it will come hybridization 3. The movie hybridization will be completed in 3 parts. 1,
today
2,
season
and
1.
3. This is 1 is going on. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will because see, you can see lone pair is 0, 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 lone pair is 0. But definitely some cases will be there where lone pair will be not equal to 0. Then what will happen? Okay,
Yes,
that will
Yes,
come
sir.
in part 2, movie part 2. Did you understand?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these all are, when there is no lone pair on the central atom, these all geometries are known as regular geometries. When no lone pair on central atom, then regular shape or structure are formed. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are regular geometry. You know what happens? The dipole moment, yesterday I explained, is 0. Dipole moment equal
Yes.
to 0.
Sir.
Okay, maximum case. In maximum case. Okay, did you understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So now I will give you one task. Okay, now I will give you one task, children. Calculate percentage of S character in number 1 SP hybridization. Come on, give me the answer.
So 50%.
50%.
50% S character. Number 2 SP2.
So 33.3%.
33.3%.
SP3.
25%.
25%.
sp3d or dsp3. I will tell you what it is. Okay. What will be the percentage? Come on, tell me.
Yes.
Tell me.
It
S is 1
5.
and orbitals are 5.
20%.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir. It's 20%.
Yes, sir.
sp3d2 or d2sp3. I am putting a star mark over here when I am using d before. Okay. I will use it. Tell me the first of all the percentage. 1/6 into 100.
11.
How much?
So it is
11.6.
1.6.
11.
11.6.
11.6.
Yes, sir. It's after
do
6.
the calculation nicely, children. Do the calculation nicely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it will be 16.6.
Ah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. 16.6.
Who gave me 11? Who misguided me?
Hi, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Don't misguide, beta. I am having lot of faith on you. 16.6.
16.6.
sp3 d3 or d3 sp3. Tell me the percentage. 1/7 into 100.
Sir, 14.28.
14.28%. Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now children, I am going to move in another this thing. Hello. Good morning. बोल रहा हूँ बेटा, सुभाष सर ही बोल रहा हूँ. अच्छा. ओहो. नारायण में हूँ बेटा. हाँ. अच्छा, ओके. लाओ मैं करा दूंगा, उसका डिटेल सब भेजो. Hello children.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So see, now what I am going to do. First of all, I would like to do some see. Some problems, children. Okay. Problems based on hybridization. Okay. Hello, children. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay. Okay. Problem based on hybridization. So I am giving you some questions. Without panic, you have to solve. Don't get any tension. See, write down these questions. Where are these questions? Write down the children question number 74. Question number 74 and page, it is page 31. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Of our NM. Okay, and I will send all material to you. I told you to send the address. Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 or 2% has saved. If all the this will be there, then only at a time I can dispatch. No, one by one. Okay, anyhow.
Sir, I sent you
I will
yesterday.
discuss at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Okay. Write down one
Okay,
question.
sir.
Okay. In which of the following molecules, comma, the central atom is not sp3d hybridized. Okay, such a beautiful question. See, PCl3 is not PCl3, it is PCl5. Okay, then ClF3. Okay, and then is it SeF6 and D XeF2. Now you will think that how we can know. Okay, so only
Yes,
listen.
sir.
Listen one
Johnny
trick. Listen only one trick is there. First of all, you should find out the central atom. Can you able to find out the central atom?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is the central atom in PCl5?
P, phosphorus.
ClF3,
Cl,
Cl.
SeF6,
Hc,
XeF2.
Xe.
Hc.
Okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
And I
Yes, sir.
am going to give you one formula. Don't tell to anybody. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
X. X is nothing. X means, what is X? So X is number of sigma plus number of lone pair of electrons. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Total
sir.
number, that is known as X. And if the particle is neutral, for that I am giving you formula. Okay. For that I am giving you formula, one very important formula. Okay. And that formula is valence electron of central atom, okay, plus number of monovalent surrounding atom, and just you divide by 2. Okay, you know central atom where it is, and surrounding atom should be monovalent. Only, see, I will tell you, don't disclose anybody. Hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine are only monovalent surrounding atom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
see, everything will come. So now, or if you want some style, okay, because without style, chemistry is not finished. Shall I give you one style?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So see. See, uh, x equal to G plus V divided by 2. Okay.
Yes.
Now don't ask me what is G. What is D? Tell me, come on, but be quick.
Valence electron of
Valence
central
electron of
atom.
central atom.
What is V?
Number of monovalent
Monovalent
surrounding
surrounding
atom.
What is X?
Sir,
Number
number
of
of sigma
sigma
bond
plus
plus
number of
lone
lone pair
Sum of
electrons.
sum of number of sigma bond and number of lone pair. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see. Now you see what you have to see. So if see you put the formula. What is the valence electron of central atom in PCl5? So phosphorus. You know it is a member of group 5.
Excited. Yes, sir.
Okay. Cl5, PCl5. Okay, it is excited state or ground state?
Excited state.
Excited
Yes,
state.
yes. So 5 unpaired electron or 5 valence electron plus
Yes, sir.
how many chlorines are there?
5.
Divided by 2. What you will get X?
5.
5. Did you remember anywhere where X was 5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Total
First
number of
option only.
sigma bond and lone pair 5. Where it is?
sp3d.
Did you
P3.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here in this molecule, see, I will make you one chart.
PCl.
If X equal to the hybridization is Sp, if S equal to 3, hybridization is Sp2, if X is equal to 4, hybridization is Sp3 and DSP2 also sometime. Okay, sometime.
Yes, sir.
If X is equal to 5, Sp3D. Okay, sometime
sir.
it is DSP3.
X
Sometime.
is sp2d for pseudo gas configuration.
Excuse me, can you repeat me? I'm pardon, really, I'm unable to understand your problem.
Sir, X is 4. Like you retain X is equals to 4. We can write sp2d also. Why it is, sir?
SP, where is SPD? It is DSP2. It is
sp2d.
DSP2.
Yes, sir.
Don't say SP2D. DSP2.
Okay, dsp2.
And I have put a cross mark
Yes,
or
sir.
not.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes,
told you
sir.
that we will discuss it. This is exceptional case.
Okay, sir.
Time will come, I will explain. That's why I have put a note. Hello.
Okay. Sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, beta. I will tell you when it
Yes,
will
sir.
come. I will tell you. Don't worry. Because question only, problem only I am creating. The solution also I will only give you. Just you have to remember that one fine day, sir has told that when X is 4, there may be sp3. 90% case it is sp3, but some percentage is for dsp2 also. Okay, did you understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When time will come, I will explain it. Okay.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because I told you this hybridization is not completed in one part. This movie is completed in how many parts?
3.
3. This is third, second or first part?
First.
First part.
Then X equal to 6. Tell me fatafat.
sp3d2.
Or
d2
Here,
sp3.
D2 sp3.
okay, this will be X is equal to 7.
sp3d3.
Okay, or
d3 sp3.
D3.
this is exam. This that where I have put dot no. They will their use will be very less. So I think now you got the point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So in
sir.
the question they have asked sp3d. So sp3d means X should come how much?
5.
5. Did I got or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the our correct answer is PCl5.
PCl5.
But can I try it? Am I getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ClF3. Use the formula ClF3. Central atom chlorine, 7 valence electron. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 fluorine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divided by 2. How much it is?
So it also 5.
So it is also 5. So let us tick also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. SEF6. Okay. What is the central valence electron of selenium? 6 plus 6 divided by 2. How much it is?
6, sir.
It's 6.
6. So here it is not coming. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
XeF2. XeF2. Valence electron. Central atom 8. 2 divided by 2. 8 plus 10. 5 is
also
coming or
5.
not?
5. This also 5, sir.
Yes,
So this
sir.
is also 5. So the question was that in which of the following molecule not. So it is there, it is there, it is there. Here it is not present. So the correct answer
Yes,
is
sir.
not present.
Yes.
So our answer will be children, this one.
Third option.
Did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Means this is not correct answer. This is not correct answer. Here it is sp3d. Here it is sp3d. Here it is sp3d. Here it is sp3d2. The question, according to question, we have to tell. If it is multiple question, then our answer will be A, B, and D.
B and D.
Do you know
Yes.
multiple answer?
Yes, sir.
Do you know multiple answer? What do you mean by multiple answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In which
sir.
They will give you so many options and they will ask which of them are correct. Then we have to do very minutely. We have to deal the case very minutely. चलो next question. Question number 74 था ये. अब ज्यादा टाइम लगना चाहिए या कम लगना चाहिए दूसरे क्वेश्चन में? कम लगना चाहिए. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75. Molecule obtained by sp3d2 hybridization has bond angle of, tell me, sp3d2. Okay, sp3d2.
Yes, sir.
What is one with the bound angle? Where is sp3d2? Where is sp3d2?
The square planar.
sp3d2, sp3d2, sp3d2. Now you have to remember. This is sp3d3. This is sp3d2. What is the angle? Square planar. Tell me first of all this angle 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and all 4 bonds are in plane only. So each of them will having how many angle?
90.
90 degree.
Yes.
So I think, let me see first options. Okay, so the option 1 is 90 degree. Option 2, 109 degree 28 minutes. Option 3, 120 degree. Option 4, 72 degree. Tell me which one is correct.
90 degree.
90 degree.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, this is for sp3d2 according to the situation. This is for sp3. This is for sp2. This is for sp3d3. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you have to make one chart for angle also. That is homework. Make a chart for different hybridization
Okay, sir.
and angle, axial and equatorial. Question number 76. The hybrid orbitals हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल, हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल मतलब टमाटर मिर्ची या चटनी,
चटनी.
या हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हैविंग equal amount of S and P कैरेक्टर. इसमें S और P का कैरेक्टर इक्वल परसेंटेज में है, SP में या SP3 में या SP2 में
Sir,
या
SP.
SP3D में. जल्दी बोलो.
Sir, SP.
में
क्यों?
Sir,
इसमें 50% ये तो 50% वो. समझ में आई बात?
Yes, sir.
ये क्वेश्चन किस इंफॉर्मेशन को जानने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि सुभाष सर ने पढ़ाया या नहीं पढ़ाया, या स्टूडेंट ने पढ़ा या नहीं पढ़ा है, ये वाला
The
टॉपिक.
percentage of ionic
समझ में आई
character.
बात?
यस
Yes,
तो
sir.
कह दो दुनिया वालों को कि कहीं से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लो, हमें सारा इंफॉर्मेशन मालूम है, क्योंकि हम लोग के साथ.
हाँ sir.
बस sir.
नेक्स्ट, अपनी तारीफ खुद करता हूँ, कितना गंदा आदमी हूं मैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर, तो आप लोग करते नहीं हो, कमेंट में मेरे को तारीफ नहीं करते हो, तो मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. ओके, नहीं करते हैं, करते. मैं देखा हूँ बहुत जन कमेंट किए. यू आर एक्सेलेंट, यू आर ये, वो यार वो. इतना भी नहीं हूं बेटा मैं, इतना मत चढ़ाओ मेरे को, ठीक है. चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल, बेटा एक इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिस मैंने आपको कहा था कि अगर अगल बगल आपके पास कोई भी बच्चे हैं, फ्रेंड सर्किल में है, रिलेटिव्स में, जिनको अभी एडमिशन कराना हो, प्लीज मेरा नंबर दो बेटा, उसका व्हाट्सएप में, मैं उनसे बात करके एडमिशन करा दूंगा बेटा, मेरी अपनी आईडी से. आप लोग इस मिशन में लगे हो कि नहीं लगे हो, पहले ये बताओ.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा हेल्प करो बेटा, हेल्प करो थोड़ा मेरे को, मेरा ये बनाना है बेटा कॉलेज में कि मैं कुछ हूं करके. हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हैविंग इक्वल अमाउंट्स ऑफ, अरे सेम क्वेश्चन को रिपीट कर रहा हूं मैं, क्या बोलूं मैं. कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 70? क्या था वो?
77.
27 था.
77.
77 था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. टाइम कितना बचा बेटा?
Sir,
Sir,
it's
हो गया
10:50.
10:50 हो गया. 50.
15.
एक क्वेश्चन कर लो, जल्दी से कर लो. हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हैविंग मैक्सिमम, इतना इजी क्वेश्चन है. शाम में ना, शाम वाला समय में इस पे और डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, है ना, इसलिए सभी लोग ज्वाइन करना, माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट.
Yes, sir.
कैरेक्टर इज हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल हैविंग मैक्सिमम पी कैरेक्टर किसमें होगा बताओ?
SP3.
ऑप्शन वन sp3d, ऑप्शन 2 sp3, ऑप्शन 3 sp
सर SP3
and option 4 sp3d.
होगा.
Sir, SP3.
This is your correct answer. Did you understand children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, मेरे को तो और क्वेश्चन कराने का मन कर रहा, जल्दी करा दूं क्या?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा.
एक क्वेश्चन और कर लो. मॉलिक्यूल, जल्दी करो. मॉलिक्यूल हैविंग sp2 हाइब्रिड atom, okay, in it is, तो कुछ सेंट्रल मॉलिक्यूल देगा, उसमें आपको सेंट्रल एटम चेक करना, उसमें देखना है कि किसमें sp2 है। ऑप्शन 1 BeCl2, ऑप्शन 2 CO2, ऑप्शन 3 HCHO, ऑप्शन 4 NH3। ठीक है बेटा,
Yes, sir.
आप कैलकुलेट करके देखिएगा, आराम से आप कैलकुलेट करके देखिएगा। इसमें हाइब्रिडेशन sp3 है, इसमें कैलकुलेट करके देखिएगा, इसमें sp है, इसमें करके देखिएगा, इसमें करके देखिएगा, इसमें करके देखिएगा, इसमें भी हाइब्रिडेशन sp है। ओके, क्वेश्चन किसमें पूछा है?
Sir,
sp2
sp2.
ये ओ सॉरी, इसमें sp है, इसमें sp2 है। ठीक है, हेलो।
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
और इसका स्ट्रक्चर है, ये समय आएगा मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे बनाएंगे इसको। C डबल बॉन्ड O H H, आप देखो कितना सिग्मा बॉन्ड है दोनों के बीच में, 1 2 3, और 3 सिग्मा होता तो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या होता बेटा?
3 sp.
क्या बोल रही हो? 3 सिग्मा बॉन्ड होने से कौन सा हाइब्रिडाइजेशन? या
sp2.
तो sp2। क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा था?
Molecule having sp2 hybrid atom in it is.
हाइब्रिड एटम, तो ये तो ये एक बात बोले, ये जो ये जो sp2 लिखे हो ना, आप लोग बोलते नहीं हो, ये भी तो sp है।
Yes.
हाँ वही तो क्या बोल नहीं रहे हो, वही तो बोल रहे हो। ये ये रॉन्ग है। ओके,
Yes, sir.
ये रॉन्ग है, ये रॉन्ग है, ये
Yes,
सही
sir.
है। समझ में आया क्वेश्चन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आया कि नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
ओके, कोई डाउट होने से पूछेगा। एक क्वेश्चन लास्ट, NH बॉन्ड होता है ना, ये जो अमोनिया है ना, ये वाला मॉलिक्यूल,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें मैंने हाइब्रिडेशन क्या बताया?
sp3.
आप निकाल के देख लो ना, X = G + V / 2। नाइट्रोजन का वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 5 होता है, सराउंडिंग एटम 3 है, / 2, 5 3 8 / 2। X = 4, X = 4 होने से हाइब्रिडेशन क्या होता है?
sp3.
3। तो NH का बॉन्ड NH3 में, तो हाइब्रिडेशन कौन शो करता है? सेंट्रल एटम। तो इसका हाइब्रिडेशन है sp3 और ये है S, तो इनके बीच ओवरलैपिंग है। ठीक है, और ये सिग्मा बॉन्ड है। तो अगर ऑप्शन 1 पूछा जाए, सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बिटवीन S and S। ऑप्शन 2, सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बिटवीन P बॉन्ड S। ऑप्शन 3, सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बिटवीन sp3 and S। एंड ऑप्शन 4, सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म बिटवीन sp3 and P। टेल मी द करेक्ट आंसर।
P3S means sigma bond. So sigma bond is between sp3s.
Which is the correct answer? First one,
sp.
second
sir.
one,
No, sir.
Third.
Third one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
fourth is also wrong।
Yes. Third option.
आ गया बात समझ में?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
टाइम कितना हो गया?
56. 10:56.
ओके, तो अब सुनिए, मैं अब इसके बाद फिर कंटिन्यू करूंगा 3 बजे, फिर 3 बजे 5 10 20 तो क्वेश्चन करके फिर कंटिन्यू करूंगा 4 o'clock को। इसलिए मैं आज आपको शाम को कितने वीडियो भेजूंगा बेटा ग्रुप में? 4। चारों को हाई स्पीड करके पढ़ोगे तो 4 घंटे की जगह 1.5 घंटे 2 घंटे में पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। और अच्छा से समझ गए बात को?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक, चलो बाय बाय।
Bye.
Bye, sir.